In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto login and the save password prompt in Microsoft Edge, and how to turn it back on whenever you want. If you've ever felt a bit uneasy about your browser automatically logging you into websites or constantly being prompted to save passwords, you're not alone. Many users prefer taking control over these functionalities to enhance personal security or simply to manage their saved passwords more efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to ensure that Microsoft Edge is open on your computer. If it's not already up and running, go ahead and launch it. Once your browser is open, focus your attention on the top right corner of your window. Here, you'll notice a small icon resembling 3 dots, which represents the menu. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, you'll want to choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you into the configuration hub for Microsoft Edge, where you can customize various browser settings to fit your preferences. Next up, you'll need to navigate towards the section labeled Profiles. Once you're there, select Personal Info. This is where a lot of the magic happens concerning account settings and privacy. While you're still on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see an option that says Settings, and it's represented by a gear icon to make it more recognizable. Go ahead and click on that. With your boots now firmly on the ground in this part of the settings menu, you'll find a section called Offer to Save Passwords. Under this area, there is a specific option titled Allow Microsoft Edge to save your passwords and help keep them secure. To stop the browser from prompting you to save passwords, simply locate this option and flip the switch to the off position. What this does is prevent Microsoft Edge from asking if you want your password saved, and it also disables the auto login feature on websites. It's a great way to ensure that you're logging in manually whenever you visit a site, adding an extra layer of security if that's what you're going for. Should you ever feel the need to re-enable the password saving feature and auto login, it's just as straightforward. All you have to do is follow the same steps, return to that toggle switch you flipped off, and turn it back on. Microsoft Edge will then resume asking if you'd like your password stored and will auto log in where applicable. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to easily control auto login and password saving functionalities within Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like the video, share it with friends who might find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.